Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Wednesday, December 18th, 2025. I'm here to break down all the must-know moves from Tuesday's session, including a sharp pullback in trading activity, the latest in IPO buzz, and a much-anticipated crypto debut. Stay tuned for the numbers, the drivers, and what it all means for your portfolio. Let's start with the markets. Yesterday, the S&P 500 slipped 0.3%, closing at 4,715. The Dow Jones lost about 0.6%, while the Nasdaq finished nearly flat. Investors are digesting softer U.S. economic data, and we're seeing shifts in both tech and financial sectors. First up, trading activity on the National Stock Exchange in India has hit a two-year low. Average daily turnover slumped to about 90,000 crore rupees this December, down from over 1 lakh crore in November. What's behind this? Uncertainty around small and mid-cap returns is causing retail investors and high-net-worth individuals to pull back. Even with benchmarks near record highs earlier this month, underperformance in broader market segments is cooling enthusiasm, pressuring brokerage revenues and signaling a more cautious investor mood heading into the year-end. Story 2. Let's pivot to IPOs. Regulatory green lights are ramping up in India. 7 companies, including Fusion CX and Orient Cables India, just received final approval to tap the public markets. Fusion CX is eyeing a 1,000 crore rupee deal, while Orient Cables aims for 700 crore. Several others are joining the queue, and some, like Turtlemint Fintech, are choosing confidential filings, adding suspense for deal watchers. With primary market buzz picking up, investors may find fresh opportunities where secondary trading feels stale. Shifting to crypto, Hashkey Holdings made its trading debut in Hong Kong, but the welcome was lukewarm. Shares opened below the IPO price and dropped 5% mid-morning, though they clawed back losses to finish just slightly underwater at $6.67. The exchange holds about 75% of Hong Kong's regulated crypto trade, but high regulatory costs and ultra-low fees are crimping profits. With cumulative losses nearing $385 million, market participants appear skeptical that scale alone can drive Hashkey into the black. For crypto investors, this debut highlights the challenge for platforms balancing growth, compliance, and sustainable margins. Back in the U.S., economic data is sending mixed signals. Non-farm payrolls rose by 64,000 in November, soft by historical standards, and unemployment ticked up to 4.6%. That news weighed on blue chips. The Dow dropped 0.6% as concerns linger about the pace of economic growth. For investors, weaker jobs data may reinforce bets that the Fed will hold rates steady, but it's also putting renewed focus on defensive sectors and earnings resilience. Finally, watch for opportunities in the financial sector. Some of the most oversold financial stocks by RSI, a key momentum indicator, are popping onto trader radars, suggesting that value seekers are sniffing around for potential rebounds before year-end. If volatility rises, keep your watch lists ready. To recap, major indexes mostly pulled back as trading activity slumped and investors rotated into safer bets. IPO momentum is picking up, but crypto's latest debut revealed market skepticism. Looking ahead, keep your eyes on upcoming earnings and key economic reports for fresh direction. Make sure to subscribe and check out our website for daily market insights. Thanks for tuning in to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. See you tomorrow.